Wild animals.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Giraffes have very long legs and necks.
Zebra.
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 A zebra has black and white stripes.
Bear. Bear.
Bear.
In cold places, bears sleep through the winter.
Rhino.
Rhino. Rhino.
Rhinos have very thick skin.
Giraffe. Zebra.
Bear. Rhino.
Words that end with G.
Rag.
Puck.
Big. Cog.
Fig.
Bed. Shapes.
Square.
Square.
This is a picture frame. It has a square shape. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Look at the laptop screen. It is a rectangle.
Arrow.
Arrow.
An arrow says, go this way. Semicircle.
Semicircle.
The light is shaped like a semicircle. Square.
Rectangle.
Arrow. Semicircle.
Soon.
Five.
With. Soon.
Five.
With.
They. That. This.
Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for everyday's new video.